Good morning, everyone. This is Rachit again, and today I'm going to continue on cre- creating hooks inside our app component. So, as I explained before about use state and use effect hook, today we will study in deep dive about use effect hook and use state hook and what it does using coding. All right. So, in my last video, I've created this app component and rendered it using just an index.html file. Alright, so first let's remove this because this is not required. That was for just for explanation. And now let's move on to the hooks. So what are hooks? As I explained in my previous videos, which I'll give a tab on this video. So let's begin with use state hook. Constant. Let's destructure the array that use state gives equals to use state hook, and it is imported from React. All right, this is not a default import, so it is imported like this. And let's call it for just a namesake only. We are using ABC. All right, for now, value comma set value. So this is the use state inside the app component that we have taken. So now if we see and try to change the value of the value using set value function. Set value to, let's say, welcome. All right, and instead of hey from parcel again, we will do, or let's use hey from parcel again and this, and then we will do value. All right, so this is how we write code inside our JSX, that is using a dollar sign and then opening and closing curly braces and then the value. Now, this set value, what it will do is it this is the initial value of value. Set value will take over the value passed inside the set value function and set it to this value. So the updated value will be welcome. The initial value was ABC, the updated value will be welcome. So as soon as set value is run, the component will re-render and then it will show hey from parcel again welcome. So let me first go to see, here it is hey from parcel again. Now let me save it. It's built and still it is the same. But why? So let's debug that. It's returning the value, but set value is called here, but app component is not re-rendering again. That is what we'll have to debug. So constant set value use state ABC, and if we set value with welcome, it will be the value, and we have used the value here. Okay, so if the value changes, the component should re-render by the case, and if this component re-renders, it moves on to index.html file and it is re-shown here. So I think we'll also have to use effect hook here. Use effect hook. First argument is an arrow function, and the second argument is a dependency array. All right. So if we use that and inside this, we set the value. All right. So set value has been done to welcome, and the since we have passed an empty array, so this means that it will only be rendered. I mean, it will only be printed, or the code inside the use effect will be done after this has rendered. So still it won't change. So if I take you back, see it hasn't changed. So if you want to change it, we can pass value here. And now if we see it, I think it will change. Yep. So you can see it changed. Yep. I think the dollar sign is also not required. So let's remove it. Yeah. I was confused in since I have been working in Node, so therefore I was confused. So that is also not required. So as you can see, this is one use case of use effect, that if we pass a value which is being changed, then it will be rendered. Alright. Now let's remove this. Whole dependency area will remove, and just we'll keep it like this. So what do you think will be the value? See, it is again that. And let's console also. Console.log of value. Alright. Now, if you go to the browser and inspect and see the console, you will see welcome, ABC and welcome. And if you refresh, again you will see ABC and welcome. If you refresh, again you will see ABC and welcome. So why is ABC being printed first? The answer is because the initial value is ABC, and then when we re-render the component, after that use effect is called, and then welcome is set, and we console the value. So that was about use effect and use state also. So yep, that was for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you.